It's a big one coming in for Teuna Classic. Over $5 to $15 million possible investment coming in from Wales. Now, I'm happy for this because by the time you add $15 million on Teuna Classic current market cap, it will definitely boost Teuna Classic, and this transaction will definitely come with a burning, which are the 1.2% tax bond they will charge. But not just about the $15 million that, if because we actually said they are watching the monitoring Teuna Classic and they might be investing towards $5 to $15 million. Now, the most important thing about this news of Wales investing huge amount of money on Teuna Classic is this. Teuna Classic is a win-win-win for Teuna Classic because two things are involved. Now, whales are very popular. If you're into crypto industry or you're into crypto world, you will know that whales, these guys, they can control prices. Okay, whales are one of the biggest investors of crypto industry. Now, every industry have their actors. We have actors in crypto industry. We are the actors in crypto industry. We have exchangers are one of the biggest actors in the industries. We have Binance founder, Ziz himself is one of the big actors in crypto industry, and of course, you know that Teuna Classic has been benefiting so much from Binance, and if Binance said to stop, something might happen. Now, whales are also one of the big actors in crypto industry because whales can control any news about whales. Always push coins up or down because so many investors, so many traders, we have so many whales. They are looking up to whales. Okay, so some people want to buy what they buy. They want to sell what they are selling. There are people like that. There are so many huge investors like that. They just follow whales' footsteps. They just follow their footsteps. Whatever they match, they match. Whenever they are pulling out, they are pulling out. If they are buying, they are buying. If they are selling, they are selling. Okay, so there are people who have been following whales because they believe that this group of these guys, they have more information. They know more about the particular coin more than they do. They are in the right position to, at least for them to know a particular coin that can return profit or a particular coin that might not return profit. So a lot of people want to follow whales. There are so many companies, industries, crypto billionaires that follow whales. That is why whales become an actor in the cryptocurrency. Okay, Elon Musk himself is one of the big actors in crypto industry. When any news concerning Elon Musk, if he tweets anything concerning crypto industry, definitely it affects crypto industry. Go and check the history. Whales have been able to control the crypto market, the crypto trading, especially Bitcoin and Dogecoin. So I'm happy. That is why I'm happy about whales coming in, because more people will be attracted towards Teuna Classic. More people will want to buy. If even the whales are just buying $1 million worth of Teuna Classic, it will still attract some people. It will attract some people who wants to buy Teuna Classic. So this is one thing I love about Teuna Classic LLC, getting whales buying Teuna Classic, and I wish if they can invest on this coin, it will really help this coin to really grow. It matters on the financial advice, and let's hope for whales to really invest on LUNC coin.